Hello traders. In this video, we're exploring the Fibonacci Killer Indicator for MT4. We'll cover how this Fibonacci-based tool appears on the chart, what a single key level implies about retracement opportunities, and how alerts help you react when price approaches that zone. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, there we have it. As you can see, the Fibonacci Killer Indicator automatically plots a single Fibonacci retracement level, typically the 38.2% level on the latest swing in price. Instead of drawing an entire ladder of Fibonacci lines, it focuses on this one level and displays it clearly on the chart as a horizontal line. In an uptrend, the 38.2% line is drawn below the recent high, marking a zone where buyers may look for the price to pull back before the next leg higher. In a downtrend, the same level is drawn above the recent low, marking a zone where sellers may look for retracement before the next move lower. When price approaches the plotted 38.2% level, the indicator can trigger alerts, visually and audibly highlighting that the market is entering a potential reaction zone tied to the most recent swing. By concentrating on this single retracement level, the chart remains uncluttered while still emphasizing a Fibonacci area that many traders watch for continuation entries. As for the indicator settings, let's look at the inputs. So like I said, we can basically set our alerts for when these conditions are met. And we can also set email alerts as well. All right. So who's the indicator for? The Fibonacci Killer Indicator is suited to traders who rely on Fibonacci retracements to time entries in the direction of the main trend, but prefer a clean chart with just one key level highlighted. It can be useful for swing and intraday traders who treat the 38.2% zone as a potential reload area in trendy markets. The indicator is analytical only and does not execute or manage trades. Traders must still confirm signals with price action, broader context, and risk management. While price often reacts near major Fibonacci levels, no single level is guaranteed to hold, and in strong trends of volatile conditions, price may slice through without meaningful reaction, so this tool should be part of a complete trading plan, not a standalone trigger. The download link for the Fibonacci Killer Indicator for MT4 is in the description below. You can read the full guide and see example charts on the Forex Geek website. If you'd like more videos on Fibonacci-based indicators and retracement tools, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications.